Hey again, this is Julie Melly from Hamilton, Montana. Let me go ahead and boot this up to my Windows 3.1 build 6.8 on your Compaq machine. Alright, you already get the BIOS section on this thing right here. That's correct. Let's do it. And you see here, I just have to worry about that. It takes a few seconds to go. But because this is not supposed to. And you got to see here is that. Okay. I was not supposed to post to it. You have to type ver. Alright, we're at the MS-DOS version 6.20, version 1011. So you can see here is that all the kinds of these screens activity derivatives and these drives over here. So what we have to do is type win and hit enter. Oh, here we go. Yep, this is how to run Windows 3.1 version 6 build 6.8. Oh, there is no license to. I think it's has opposed to it, but I'll just have to later on. Okay, so you still have to worry with it, which Windows 3.1. Yes, it's easiest way you have to get to it. You detect this on the fly. So we go in and do quick wallpaper. Click OK. And look at all these things right here. And these manufactured in February 3rd, 1992. Don't you think? So then before you have to go ahead and do for editing for content, you always see what it looks like at the different resolutions at the same time. So then you can just be all you get this production process. Microsoft Windows, so you get this one as opposed to it. And I'm using it until fall of 1992. And you have to get this to do for the select color. And now you can see here is that basically you have to tap this on the fly. Oh, I like this better. So now, you see what it looks like. It have to have the nostalgic here. And you're gonna hit arrange icons, either ways. Now do I got you to get your operating system installed. And I always did do it because all it was the same. Let me go ahead and exit Windows for now. But then, okay then, the next thing I have to show you have to go ahead and install Jill of the Jungle 2. What it always says to make me happy to do this about the Windows. So let's put it in there. Well, I just have to see that way. All we have to do is type A. And then all we have to do is type Jill 2. Ooh, I like to see that way. Jill Goes Underground. They always is part of the Epic Games on here. This is it. A SoundBlaster card has been detected. Do you want digital sound? Yes, no. Yeah, that sounds fun. Sure. Okay, there we go. So we go ahead and shut her down now. This is Julie Melly, sign off. Goodbye.